Do you ever wonder कि robot programmer job पर क्या करते हैं? They turn code into the real world action. Programmers hold so many responsibility and they have to use so many skill set every single day. But there are four major things they do. I will cover those four in this video along with the reason why robot programmers are so motivated and they love what they do. So let's dive in. So, the first major thing that they do is designing and programming. As a robot programmer position title says, person on this position needs to do programming, but they also needs to do production planning. What does that mean? That means that they plan robot tasks in a way that is in a maximum factory efficiency. They also do program development. They create a program from scratch or from a template and they need to troubleshoot the code and debug it. System integration is also their responsibility. Coordinating robotic arm with the production line for a seamless automation is a key element for a robot programmer. These are all part of designing and programming. Second one is simulation and testing environment. This is a text virtual validation gets done before the deployment. Digital twinning is also a part of this section where in digital twinning we build model of a robot and a workspace. Motion verification can be done in simulation. All moves are tested in virtual environment before floor. Safety analysis. Checking safety is important part and getting done in simulation is time saving and money saving. Performance optimization. Fine tuning path for speed and accuracy in simulation gives more flexibility than doing it on floor. Zero error on factory floor through comprehensive virtual testing gives so much benefit, and that's the reason why bigger companies are now switching to simulation before actually assembling the whole system on floor. Third part is troubleshooting and precision. In this they need to use their problem solving skill because they do motion correction, fine tuning a robot movement to eliminate the jerky or imprecise action needs so much detailed attention. Second, code debugging, identifying and fixing programming errors that affects the performance. Tool path optimization, refining a path to improve speed without sacrificing the accuracy. They need to use their observation to identify correct place to make changes. They have to make a fine decision and it can go wrong, but they use their knowledge and experience to make it correct. Safety compliances, ensuring all operation meet strict industrial safety standards. These are all part of a troubleshooting and there's many more things. Just to give you intro, these are all main element of troubleshooting and precision. Last but not least, collaboration across team. Robot programmer needs to interact with different department every single day. For example, mechanical department. If they see possible collision, then they need to reach out to mechanical team to just find out a possible solution for it. Production team to understand the process and process flow along with the material flow, they need to reach out to the process department. Design department, they help to integrate product spec into the robotic process. That's also a key element. Continuous improvement, they have to share progress to higher management and need to stay open to receive any last minute changes. Cross functional communication, this helped them breach technical and operational expertise. So you can see robot programmer holds so many responsibility at work. Then do you ever wonder what makes them motivated to do what they actually do? Human nature is like that. When we see our code become motion, it gives joy. Precise and perfected work, efforts that they put towards the final result gives them a sense of accomplishment. Design validation, months and months they put on their work, comes alive in a second. And the impact realized. They contribute towards transforming manufacturing efficiency and quality. These are all the things that I get to know when I interacted with so many robot programmer, that these are the key things that makes them motivated to do what they do. So I hope you get just a rough idea what are the responsibility robot programmers hold at work and how their life look like at work and what makes them motivated. What can you take from this is whatever you are working on will give result one day. Use your skill to the full potential and keep learning. Thank you for watching.